happened in the US, where the judge who has now dismissed the criminal case against Indian businessman Gautam Adani. Now, reacting to this decision, Adani says that he has welcomed the court's ruling with humility and deep respect for the judicial process. In a post on X, he says that his faith in truth, fairness and the rule of law has remained unwavering throughout the legal battle. Gautam Adani, who has also thanked those who stood by him, adding that the group will continue building for the nation, creating long-term values and also serving a larger purpose. Now, this is coming across as a time where Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani, who has now welcomed the US court's decision to dismiss criminal charges against him, saying that he has deep respect for the judicial process, and also saying that he welcomes the US court decision with humility and saying that we will continue doing what matters, that is building for our nation, creating values that outlast and also serving a purpose which is larger than ourselves, and that is our commitment. Let's connect with Bhavtosh on this. Bhavtosh, he says that during this challenging period, up to, our faith in truth, fairness and rule of law remained unwavering. If you can help us understand the key details, please.
Well, it's a big relief, also vindication for the Adani Group, because the U.S. judge on Monday dismissed the criminal charges against Gautam Adani, and it also relief for Gautam Adani because Justice Department decision to abandon the fraud and bribery case against Gautam Adani. Now, as far as this case is concerned, it was during the period of Joe Biden that this case was filed, in which it was said that there are criminal proceedings were initiated against Gautam Adani. The Justice Department had filed this case against Gautam Adani, claiming that bribery charges were pressed against him, and later on during Trump administration, these charges were dismissed, and subsequently Gautam Adani and others were in fact. Adani and others were...
Yes, while dismissing the charges against Adani, the judge seems to have said that he was satisfied with the reported investment pledge by Adani Group that did not influence the Justice Department's decision, saying that he has also noted that the judges have a limited role in reviewing the federal prosecutor's decisions to seek dismissal of charges. We're going to head into a short break.